Alright students, here is the next steps in order to get your video working. All this is written down here in multiple steps, but I just wanted to create one video for our podcast. So let's go to Free Music Archive. First thing we're going to do is we're going to sign up, which is in the upper right hand corner. If it loads, but it's not loading. So let's click Enjoy FMA. We'll see if that works. No, here we go. Let's click sign up. Let's make this our username. Thank you to the student for allowing us to use her computer. Okay, let's go check her email address. Now this is the easiest way to get your email address too. So if you click on To Me, then you can see here that we can go copy the email address here. Control C. Okay. Go to your email address there. Now your password should be your actual Penfield password. We're going to go ahead and make this password for the student. Okay. Now once we do that, we need to activate our account. So we can see here that there's a verify button. So let's click verify email address. Okay. Once we verify it, we should be ready to go. So now we have verified our account. We can click Enjoy FMA, and you can search through all the genres you want. I'm just going to find one real quick. I'm going to download the song by clicking this down arrow. Understand and agree. That's basically just saying you're going to use it for like educational purposes. Now it's downloaded. Okay, now in another tab, it always gets confusing with tabs, but you can always pause the video and go back to it. Let's go to Twisted Wave. Okay. Let's upload a file. Some people you can you can register and then create an account. Other people cannot. So if you cannot register, that's okay, we can do it without it. Let's upload a file. We can see this light saturation is the one we just did. Okay. If you get that pop-up error, that's okay, hit OK, and then in the upper right hand corner, you can allow it through there. Now here's my music. What I would suggest you do is to highlight and copy about 10 seconds worth of audio. Okay. Hit Control C to copy. Control A to select all, and Control V to paste. Now we'll highlight the first 5, go to Effects, Fade In, okay, about the last 5, highlight, Effects, Fade Out, okay, then this stuff I can just highlight and then hit Backspace to get rid of it. Now you can see that my music goes in, and it goes out. And what that does is it just doesn't shock the audience member so loud once you start talking. So once you have that, you can change the title here, podcast, that way you know. And then this red circle allows us to actually record what we need to record. Okay, allow while you're visiting the site. You can see my words that is recording there. Okay. Highlight it if you need to. Effects. You can amplify to make it louder. You can highlight and cut. Same way, backspace and get rid of things. So if you make a mistake, it's okay. Don't freak out, you can restart it. You can also continue on and make changes here. If you start recording, you need to add your commercial in there, you can do it there. So Twisted Wave works really well, and there's lots of tutorials on how to use it as well. Email me if you got questions.